Hello there and welcome back to the DBMS video series. In this video we are going to discuss the question set 28. So what is the highest mark obtained in a single literature in all term examinations of the students in class 11B? So I'm going to use a special keyword that's called the max keyword. So let's head to our SQL and let's type in the keyword. So we are going to use the maximum mark from student exam mark record table as reference. So we are going to inner join the student subject class tables with the student exam mark record table. And then we are going to search for the Sinhala language and literature subject. And the class name is obviously going to be 11B. So when we run this, we get the maximum mark, which is 99 marks for the Sinhala language and literature. So let's go to the second question. What is the highest mark and subject of Sachitra Vikramasinghe's first term subjects in all subjects? So let's see what is his highest mark. Let's run our query. And like as always, we are using the student exam mark record table as our reference table, and we are going to select the mark and subject name. Since the student exam mark record table doesn't have the subject name column, we'll have to inner join the subject table with the student exam mark record table, and we need to inner join the exam term, and we are going to inner join the student and exam term within the subquery where we are going to search the marks. And then we are also going to use the where clause where the first name is going to be Sachitra and last name is going to be Vikramasinghe and term name going to be the first name. So let's run this query and we can see that 85.5 has been the mark and Sinhala language and literature is the subject. So Sachitra is a genius in Sinhala language and literature where his marks is 85.5, which is the highest mark. Let's go to the next question. Find the name and the mark of the students who scored between 70 to 90 marks in the mathematics subject in the first term. Alright, so I also have a query for that. So let me paste in the query. So first we are going to select the first name mark from the student exam mark record. The first name is not available in the student exam mark record table. As you can see here, they are foreign keys. So I'm going to inner join the student table to get the first name, and I'm going to inner join the subject exam term so that I can easily search for these keywords. So next I have selected the subject name as mathematics and the term name as the first term, and the marks I have selected between 70 to 90. So let's run this query to look at our result. Alright, so these are the students who have scored between 70 to 90 in the first term in the subject of mathematics. So we have to give a these guys are the brilliant guys in their class who have the excellent marks in mathematics. So let's go to the next question. Find the subject and mark with the highest marks obtained in mathematics and science subjects in Amanda Moses' first term examination. Alright, so I also have a query for this. Let's go to the SQL and let's write our query. So we are going to select the subject name, mark the student exam mark record table, and we are going to join the student subject and exam term tables together. And now we are going to search for Amanda Moses. So her first name is Amanda and her last name is Moses. And the term name we are going to search for first term, and we are going to search for mathematics and science subjects. So let's run this query and we can see that mathematics is 90 marks and science is 75 marks. Let's go to the next question. Madhara Vanasekara finds the highest marks in mathematics and science in Sinhala language in the second term examination. So we have to find Madhara Vanasekara's highest marks in mathematics, science, Sinhala language and literature in the second term examination. So I also have a query for that. So let's write in our query here, and we are selecting the maximum mark from the student exam mark record, and as always we are going to join the student subject and exam term together. to get the most productivity from our table, and then we select our first name as Madara, last name as Vanasekara, and the term is going to be the second term, and we are going to select the subjects. So I'm going to use the in keyword to select all three subjects, which are mathematics, science, signal language, and literature. So let's run this query, and then we can see that the highest mark of all three is 85 marks. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video, and we will meet in the next video.